Hey, what's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miriam, and today, baby, we have ourselves some cookie, cocoa-ish treats, desserts. I just wanted to be kind of festive. I wanted to do something that was kind of geared towards kids, that you can make with your kids. And I'm gonna tell you something. It wasn't easy at all. And I'm gonna show you some pictures. I'm actually gonna show you my Christmas tree, some spaces where I have my house decorated, and then I'm gonna show you the mess that I made. I'm telling you, it was not easy. Jingle bells. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead. Isn't it cute? Oh my gosh, isn't it cute? Oh my gosh, looks like a hot chocolate mug. Looks like a hot chocolate mug. I cannot take full credit for this. I will not take full credit for this. I've seen this on Pinterest, and I just had to do it. I had to do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. Got the mints from Dollar Tree. I think this cost probably about $10. And wow. Be sure to take a bite of some of the peppermint. Wow. It is so good. It is so good. It's so tasty. I did have some fail. I'm gonna show you guys the made. Oh, and I have some hot chocolate. Right on time. It's so good. I'm so excited. So I have some hot chocolate. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Oh, I should just cut these in little pieces. Just a nice little, neat little treat. Festive, you know. I just thought it was so cute. Cute. I like chocolate. Hot chocolate. I actually like the fact that the can is kind of chewy. And you want more. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. So how are you guys doing today? I hope and pray all is well with you. Me? I'm doing just fine. Hey, jingle bells all the way, hey. Silly. It's so good. It's so good. Yeah, be sure to add a few pieces of the mint with it. It's perfect. It's so good. It's so creamy. I love hot chocolate. I love it. It's so good. I don't have a topic. I just wanted to keep this short. Saturday, July the 11th. Saturday, July 11th will be the Maryland meet and greet. It will be held in Salisbury, Maryland. I will, as it gets closer, I will inform you of the venue. It will be from 1 p.m. until 4 p.m. So you can come at any time during from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. on Saturday, January the 11th, 2020. Again, it'll be in Salisbury, Maryland. And I look forward to seeing you guys. I hope you try to come out. You can just come out for like 5-10 minutes just to say hi, take a picture. You know, I want to just say hi, and I just want to say thank you. Like again, it's just very casual. Some music from Spotify, some Spotify music, and just like pictures and hugs, and I just want to just, you know, hug old ladies and kiss old babies. You know, I just want to just be very casual and just want to just say hi and just say thank you. And again, like because I travel a lot, so as I go to different cities, I'm like, hey, you know, I'll be here, you know, tomorrow. Meet me at this mall, or meet me at this venue, or meet me at this park, you know, as time goes along. So, because I really appreciate you guys. I love you guys so much. So, I want to show you guys my Christmas tree. I want to show you guys what I've done to my house. Okay, so hold on. Come around this way. So, here's my tree. You can see it. Turn the light on. So, I have like gold and silver, and down here I have like this little town and Noel. These little buildings I got from Dollar Tree, baby. Yes, yes. And I had my Christmas tree up, I'm so shocked, about a week and a half before Thanksgiving. So shocked, so shocked. So don't mind this stuff over here. This just gifts that need to go in gift bags. So that's my tree. Over here is my mantle. I have just like this little wreath thing going on here. I don't know, not a wreath, but you know what it's called. The stockings are hanging low because the fireplace does not work, so it's okay. And I'm not trying to burn anything down, but that's my mantle. And over here, another little city. The little town of Bethlehem. The little trees. These things I got all from Walmart. I got all these things from Walmart. So, I just thought it was just so cute. Yes, indeed. So, I just wanted to show you guys those few little things. You know, my place, you guys. That's all I have for today. I know this video is short. I'm sorry that it's short. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much. I thank God that He put it on your hearts to click that button. Appreciate you. I think that's all I had to say. So happy holidays to everyone. I'll see you in my next video. Peace. Oh, one more thing. Like I told you, you guys, this thing was not easy. It was not easy. I wanted to show you what damage was done. Whew. See, some of these did not turn out right. Some of them would not come out correctly. Some of them will not go into the peppermint correctly. So it is not easy. Looks like it's easy and cute, but it was not easy, honey.